and now I would be able to move the roof up and down, and it would always be cropping that portion with an upwards extrusion. Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to the first YouTube video on this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crop a slab to a roof in Archicad. The reason this would be useful is because you would be able to crop and tidy up on your sections when you are using multiple 3D elements to generate the sections that you are working with. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing you guys will be seeing is Archicad. I have currently modeled up a little floor plan for you guys so we can, for demonstration purposes, this is what it looks like in 3D. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to cut a section through this portion here. Doesn't really matter where you're cutting it, but ideally it would be good if you would be able to go through the pitching of the roof essentially. So then you can open this up in 3D, or in section rather, and as you can see, this is the problem we are facing right now, is that this portion here is cutting into each other, and in 3D it could also be a little bit annoying when you see these pixels and stuff going all around. So the first thing you're going to do, take this and the roof, and you're going to split it into single plane roofs. Now all of the roofs are separate, as you can see. The next thing you want to do is you want to open the solid elements operation tool, I believe it was called, and this will open a little bit of a palette for you guys to work with, and now I'm going to show you how this is working. So what you would want to do is you click on the two roofs, you set them as operators, and then you can select the slab and you deselect the roofs and you set the slab as a target. So what you're going to do now is you're going to select the choose operation, subtraction with upwards extrusion, and then all you're going to do is you're going to hit execute. So what this is going to do is it's going to basically crop the roof same way you would use to crop a wall to a roof, and it's going to crop the slab right where the roof is touching it essentially. So this is particularly useful because now it will automatically register every time you move the roof up and down, and you see it's cropping essentially through the two targeted roofs that I have selected. Now if you want to crop these planes as well, so undo all of that, clear all of the targets and clear all of the operators. Now it's back to normal, and click on all four roof planes, click operator again, deselect them, find the slab, add as target, and then you're going to do the same thing, subtraction with upwards extrusion, and you're going to press execute. Now that is basically just going to do the same thing as we have seen here in the section, and now I would be able to move the roof up and down, and it would always be cropping that portion with an upwards extrusion. As you can see, the slab is now being cropped, and in section you would see as well the slab is being cropped here, and that's basically how you do it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like to see more, please make sure to press that subscribe button. If you like the video, please make sure to hit the like button, it would help with the algorithm, and share this video if it would help a lot of your friends in university or possibly in the industry who is starting to learn Archicad right now. Thanks guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.